I think this transformation has always kind of been in the back of my mind, but I've never really thought that I could pull it off this much. Fingers crossed. Hi, I'm Josie, and today I'm getting a shaggy curly cut with bangs. But before you see my transformation, subscribe below. I want to get this new look because I'm in dire need of a little change. I have had kind of the same hair my whole life. I've gone through a couple little hiccups. I had bad side bangs in middle school. In college, I decided to dye my hair in the dorm bathroom. We did it without gloves, also very bad idea. So I'm in need of a little change, a little elevation here. I'm an adult. It's time to just kind of switch it up. This will be my first time with someone that actually understands my hair type. I've always had a family friend cut my hair, or I've gone with my dad to his a little chain haircut spot. I hope this stylist teaches me how to keep my hair healthy and volumized. I just need to treat it right. I'm really looking forward to seeing how it comes out. I'm gonna look cute.
Hi, I'm Michael.
Hey, I'm Josie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi, I'm Michael Duenas, and I am a celebrity hairstylist, and I specialize in curly hair in Los Angeles. I am best known for texture and movement in hair, and really locking down someone's curl pattern. I do think bringing you up, we're gonna get close to where your corkscrew curls are in the back. Add in a little bit of layers for you so you can get some more movement. Bringing some face framing will be really good. You wanna go ahead and get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
Comfortable?
Yeah.
Are you good?
I'm ready.
I thought Josie's hair was beautiful. It just needed a little bit of maintenance and a little bit of love. I'm going to start with each curl pattern, lifting up to the proper elevation and trimming the ends to a soft point. The reason you want to go to a curly hair specialist is that we know curls. We trained on it, we live in it, we breathe it. There is a big difference with cutting curls knowing what you're doing and cutting curls assuming you know what you're doing. Josie has two different curl patterns. Her first curl pattern starts at her occipital, which is the bone that is just at the back of your head. It sticks out just a little bit and creates more of the round head shape. Right there, she had what we call corkscrew curls. She had very tight curls. Above that, she had Botticelli curls. That is a more looser, relaxed curl. Think Sarah Jessica Parker.
Did you ever do the full-on bleaching of the hair?
I could show you a picture of me from first grade to my senior year of high school, and you will see all my different hair colors. Once I have finished my horseshoe-shaped sections from the nape to the top of the head, I'm now creating my fringe. Looking at her face, I knew that a square blunt fringe would not work, but halo would open her up.
I didn't even know there were different terms for
There are many
bangs.
different forms. Knowing this would then grow into curtain bangs, and this gives her versatility and longevity in her haircut.
I'm a little scared with this new look just because I'm not that great at styling. I'm really low maintenance, but you know what? It's quarantine. I'm not really seeing anybody, so it's kind of the perfect time to try something new. I always keep my camera off on Zoom calls, but with my new haircut, I'm thinking maybe I'll turn it back on.
The products I'm going to use are Aloxi Essential 7 Oil Treatment Conditioner and Aloxi Bombshell Grip Spray. I'm going to apply nickel-sized amounts of conditioner to my palms and emulsify. I am going to start at the mid-shaft and apply the conditioner to the ends. The goal is to have the hair feel like seaweed, very slippery, very soft. I have been doing hair for 20 years. I'm old as hell. The way I mastered curly haircuts was basically turning into a machine. Doing that really teaches you about different curl patterns and different clients' reactions. So you really learn what you need to do with every client and every type of curl. I am taking double prong clips. I'm going to lift the root and clip the hair up. This is going to give volume and allow airflow. I am also clipping where her fringe is together. This is to give me a halo shape and to get rid of her center part. Now I'm going to show Josie how to properly use the Conair Smooth Wrap Dryer. I am picking the hair up and setting it into the dryer, but not moving it, letting it sit and dry completely. Now that the hair is dry, I'm going to use my Cool Shot button. The Cool Shot button is now going to be used all over the head to cool the hair down till it's cool to the touch. Hair means something pretty simplistic to me. It is a form of self-expression, but it is a temporary form of self-expression. I built a portfolio and it just kind of exploded from there. It was that one client and I became a color educator and cutting educator from her, and then just really grew my passion from there. All right, open your eyes.
Oh my gosh. I look different. It's so cool.
If it gets a little
Amazing.
frizzy, just take a touch of that conditioner I used on you, put it in a spray bottle, and just lightly mist.
Thank you so much. This is amazing. I love my new hair. I feel confident. I feel like it really suits me. I never thought that I could have amazing curls like this. To see so much volume and definition is amazing. I loved working with Michael.
Working with Josie was terrible. She was probably the worst. I'm just kidding. Working with Josie was a dream. She was receptive, she was open, and she was willing to listen to things that I had to say. She kept showing me photos of hair that was around clavicle, and everything she kept saying, but I want my hair longer. So we really went with that really cool rocker 70 vibe.
We compromised a little bit with the length, and I was able to just kind of put my full trust in him because he knows what he's doing. I don't. There's an Arabic dance called the Dubke, and once COVID's over, I can't wait to get back out there and be doing the line dance with my hair bouncing around effortlessly, embracing my heritage, my natural curls, and me.
Thank you for watching Refinery29. To watch more videos, click here. To subscribe, click here.